It may seem unusual to become wealthy while attending college full-time, but it's not as unlikely as it may seem. Typically, full-time college students enroll in at least 12 credits per semester, or 4 semesters. Your timetable and the subjects covered in those classes will determine how much spare time you have to devote to working for a living. And though you could definitely find work in retail or at a fast food establishment, those positions aren't the best option if you want to make as much money as possible. As a full-time student, you can use the following chances to increase your income and become wealthy. Before starting the video, please do not forget to like, share, subscribe, and press the bell icon. 1. Be a server in a fine dining establishment. If you have significant serving experience and live in a city with upscale eateries, you can earn a respectable income. According to Indeed, fine dining waiters in the United States often make $16 per hour base pay and $300 per day in tips. 2. Commence freelancing. Use your freelance abilities to your advantage to become wealthy. Look for any writing opportunities on ProBlogger under the Jobs page if you have strong writing skills. The average pay for writers in the United States is $22.52 per hour, although there are opportunities to earn more. If you have additional abilities, such as constructing websites, video editing, or graphic design, you can create a seller account on Fiverr or promote your offerings on online marketplaces. Audio editing is an incredible, highly marketable skill, asserted Kelly Mosser, a strategist and coach for business owners. Nearly every business will hire this service at some point, whether you get hired to edit someone's podcast or help a brand update its training videos to be more current and engaging. 3. Work as a private instructor. The average cost of tutoring is $50 per hour, according to Tutor.com. However, you might be able to make more money if you focus on a particular field, like assisting high school kids with their SAT preparation. You might start your own online tutoring business and use Zoom to meet with students for tutoring sessions in order to increase your income. As a result, you won't need to spend money on petrol, and the time you save by not having to drive as much can be used to attend more online tutoring sessions. 4. Engage in virtual assistance work. In addition to providing support to well-established internet firms, virtual assistants can earn high salaries, according to Mosser. Compared to business school, you might learn more from its leaders. The average hourly wage for a virtual assistant is $22, according to Indeed. Virtual assistants provide small business owners or other employers with remote administrative or technical support. Appointment setting, email composing and replying, bookkeeping, managing social media accounts, and customer service are just a few examples of administrative abilities. According to Indeed, specializing in a particular niche market might increase your income. 5. Be an au pair. You might be able to find a part-time job as a nanny if you go to college in a big city and have at least 1 to 2 years of experience working with kids. The typical base pay for a nanny in the United States is $21.23 per hour, according to Indeed. However, if you provide additional services like tutoring, meal preparation, or carefully planned arts and crafts activities, you might be able to earn more money. 6. Address the issues of other students. You should use any skills you have that the majority of pupils lack in order to make money. If you're great at fixing computer problems, for instance, let people know around campus and they'll come to you for assistance. When fixing tech problems, you can bill an hourly rate in addition to a diagnostic fee. Computer technicians in the United States make $18.90 per hour, according to Indeed. Even if you lack technical expertise, there are undoubtedly other issues that you may work with students to solve while earning money. Spend some time writing down the problems that the pupils have. Then, consider whether any of those problems could serve as a platform for you to sell your services and make money. Please like, share, subscribe, and comment.